In a small village nestled deep in the mountains lived an old man named Martin. He had a reputation as a sage and a healer. Everyone in the area came to him for advice and treatment. However, Martin had a mysterious power. He could foresee the future. One day, a mysterious woman named Amelia arrived in the village. Her eyes held a fiery spark that unsettled the villagers. She approached Martin with a question that would change the fate of the village. She wanted to know the date of an impending disaster that would affect their community. Martin placed his hands on a glass sphere encased in wood and concentrated. After a moment, he spoke words that sent shivers through everyone. "A great storm is approaching, one that will bring devastation, but there is hope. On one day, each villager must perform a single act of kindness for another." Everyone knew these words were true because Martin had never been wrong in his predictions. The villagers began to ponder what they could do to save their community. It was their only chance for survival. The day drew closer, and the village buzzed with feverish activity. Some helped the elderly with their farms, while others repaired houses. Amelia was the heart and soul of the effort, constantly encouraging others to perform acts of goodwill. On the day of the catastrophe, the approaching rain and wind were terrifying, but the villagers, united in their purpose, persevered. The storm passed, leaving behind damaged homes, but also the imprints of the great deeds they had done for each other. Martin looked at the tired but contented people and knew he had foreseen what mattered most: unity and compassion in the face of adversity. It was a mystical force that had saved the village. This story teaches us that, even in the most challenging times, kindness and cooperation can overcome the greatest challenges. Mystical powers may reveal the future, but it is our own actions that shape it for the better.